Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to send an audio recording as a message on Twitter. Sending voice messages can be quicker and more personal way to communicate with your contacts. So, let's get started on how to send an audio recording as a message on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the messages icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon to start a new message. Select the person you want to message. In the message box, tap the audio recording button. Record your message. When you're done, tap the pause button to stop the recording. You can play back the audio to listen to it, and if you're happy with it, click send to share it. And that's how you can send an audio recording as a message on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.